Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We divide both sides by dx. So we have the square root sy y s. So they are degree number 1. So it is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that I will do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of v, we have dv over dx multiplied by s. First derivative of s, we have number 1. So I will put about v. So this is about the product rule of derivative. So I will put this one going here and here. This one we change by this one. This one we have the square root of v multiplied by s. Now we need to simplify s for the both sides. Negative v, positive v, we cancel. So I will put this one go to the right. So I will put the square root of v go to the left, dx and s go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So this one we have v to the power of negative 1 over 2 dv. The integration of this one we have v to the power of negative 1 over 2 plus 1 over negative 1 over 2 plus 1. This one we have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. This one we have positive 1 over 2. This one we have positive 1 over 2. About v, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.